Despite the government's best efforts, progress under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana that aims to give a Pakka house to every family by 2022 has been moderate. But now things are set to change. The government has come out with a new policy to engage the private sector in building affordable homes through public-private partnerships. And it seems industry players have already given a thumbs up. Oinitham has the story.
Time is running out for the government. 5 years and 4 crore houses to be built. So far, the government has managed to give approvals for the construction of about 20 lakh houses since the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana was launched in 2015.
हमारा लक्ष्य है 2022 तक सबके लिए मकान, वो केवल सरकार के द्वारा, केंद्र सरकार, प्रदेश के द्वारा, सरकार के द्वारा ये काम पूरा नहीं होगा, ये हमको भी मालूम है। इसलिए हम चाह रहे हैं इसमें प्राइवेट पार्टिसिपेशन हो। तो प्राइवेट पार्टिसिपेशन होगा, उसमें रेगुलेशन होना चाहिए, इसलिए रेरा लाया। इट इज गोइंग टू बी रियल गेम चेंजर। द रेरा इज गोइंग टू बी रियल गेम चेंजर विथ अलाउइंग अफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग इन पार्टनरशिप विथ प्राइवेट सेक्टर एंड प्राइवेट लैंड्स इज गोइंग टू बी रियली ए बिग game changer. But rules and regulations will be there, state administration will be there, all verification will be done by the district administration, then only we'll be able to move together.
To fast-track things, the government has announced a policy to rope in the private developer by giving them additional FAR, FSI for a portion of his land. The private player will also be allowed to build high-end housing projects in lieu of a portion of his land. Government will ensure release of unutilized government land at low cost to the private player for affordable housing.
I think this is a very comprehensive policy done with a lot of research. We are there to hold hand of government for the affordable housing because we see our future also in affordable housing. So we are willing to work with the government in all the models they ask to for affordable housing. All we need is more efficiency in the systems and more transparency and make them practical, more workable, more viable workable policies.
The government hopes that the private player will bring in efficiency in development of land, construction, operation and maintenance of affordable housing through better technologies and better management and construction practices. In New Delhi, Oinitham Oja, NDTV.
And now it's time for an update on the situation of RERA implementation. Today, an update from Haryana. Even as home buyers wait with bated breath for an undiluted RERA in Haryana, Executive Director in the Interim Regulatory Authority, Dilbag Sihag, has said that the final rules will be announced by June 30th. He said that they have received over 2,000 suggestions from promoters and allottees. In the meanwhile, 10 developers have applied for registration based on the draft rules.
In case of Haryana, we have already started our work right from the 1st May 2017. Though we have interim authority and I am assisting to him and our state regulator in the capacity of executive RERA, but it's very heartening on the basis of our draft publications. More than 10 developers have already submitted their applications with RERA, and yesterday I have already granted registration to 2 developers to go ahead.